women entrepreneurship has always been not so good in the state of Maharashtra or in India or world over. We have to actually help women to be entrepreneurs, because if there is one woman who is an entrepreneur, that means not only is she adding to the literacy of the family, but she's also increasing and enhancing, facilitating financial literacy across her family members. Women entrepreneurs, if they participate in the economic development or in entrepreneurship, the development, the GDP will go up by at least 4 to 5%, because not more than 16% of women are actually employed in entrepreneurship. They should enter into various other streams, which include maybe technology, science, engineering, architecture. We have women who are mostly professionals. They're either doctors or they're lawyers. They're more into the service sector. But JAPE Udyoginiti should take this initiative so that they bring women into the forefront of manufacturing as well. So World Trade Center is a platform which provides you extremely very effective communication across the world. So as I told you, there are over 330 World Trade Centers in over 90 countries. So if you do an event here, you get visibility across these 90 countries and to over 1 million business houses across the world. So World Trade Center is actually one of those brands, only single brand which is global, which promotes entrepreneurship, business and international trade. JAPE has taken one of the most challenging initiative, and I think she's extremely successful, and I would like to congratulate Purnima Shiriskar, because this was not an easy task. She brings so many women here from so many different fields. Somebody is from cosmetics, from jewelry, from food products, name it, and all these women who are here today are so enthusiastic about the work that they do, that I see that there is a huge potential for all of them to grow their business across the country and then reach out to the world. Their products are extremely good. I did taste some of the products that were there on display, but I do hope that they do have the kind of platform that World Trade Center is providing to reach out to other countries as well. And they participate in international trade fairs. So I would like JAPE to take this initiative also, where she participates in international trade fairs and brings women in the forefront who are today ready to take the leap. As JAPE says, JAPE means the leap. She's not only dynamic, but she's a woman with a lot of vision. And when women have vision, they make sure that they cross 7 seas to make sure that the vision is actually materialized, and they make sure that it is absolutely successful. So Purnima is one of them. As they say in Hindi or in Sanskrit or in Marathi, Stri Shakti. So she is the Stri Shakti, and I'm seeing that Shakti in her and all the other women who are associated with JAPE.